Hello, everyone. We are thrilled that you have decided to invest in yourself, and that's a great thing. So be ready. You are going to achieve great results from this. First, we'll go over the index, which outlines what we are going to learn in this course. In this course, our first topic is how to start a CNC machine. As you can see, we are going to cover everything from the basics. So even if any of you are new to this field and don't know anything about CNC, you will still be able to learn programming through this course. That's why we will learn everything from the basics to the advanced level. So first, we will see how to start a CNC machine. After that, we will explore what a CNC machine is. In this topic, we will learn exactly what a CNC machine is. Our third topic will cover the control panel. In this topic, we will go into detail about the control panel. Next, we will discuss the offset procedure, meaning we will learn how to set offsets and how to determine offset values. All of this will be covered in that topic. Afterward, we will move on to the topic of setting. The first four topics are crucial for operation, meaning the first four topics and the seventh topic, which is on measuring instruments. These 5 topics are specifically designed for CNC operation, including the first 4 topics and the 7th topic. After that, we will learn about setting, which is crucial for becoming a CNC setter. Along with this, tool setting and nomenclature, the 5th and 6th topics, are specifically made for CNC setting. The first 4 topics and the 7th topic are for operation, and the 5th and 6th topics are for CNC setting. Starting from the 8th topic, our programming lessons will begin. In the 8th topic, we will cover G codes. In the 9th topic, we will cover M codes. Then, in the 10th topic, we will discuss the standard format. This format is essential for writing programs, as there is a standard format we must follow. We will learn about this format in that topic. Our next topic will be nose radius compensation, which is part of the programming section. We will cover this as well. After that, we will learn how to find coordinates. Although this is a simple topic, it is crucial for students who are unfamiliar with finding coordinates. This topic will be extremely useful when creating programs. Next, we will go over some examples in the example topic, where we will cover operations such as drilling, threading, grooving, and more. For each operation, we will look at one example and create a program for it. This topic is very important for programming purposes as it applies all the knowledge from the first 12 topics. In this topic, we will use G00 and G01 codes to create programs. After that, we will learn about cycles and how to write programs for different examples using cycles. In CNC programming, we have different cycles, all of which we will cover in this topic. By the end of this topic, our programming syllabus will be complete. Afterward, we will provide additional information to give you extra knowledge, helping you to learn all the small details. In this way, we will learn programming in this course. After the 4th topic, you will receive a career guidance video. Similarly, after the 6th topic, which covers setting, we will provide another career guidance video. These career guidance videos will offer guidelines on how to apply your operating knowledge to CNC machines and the direction you should take in your career. This comprehensive guidance will be provided in the first career guidance video. It is essential to understand all these things to become a good CNC operator, setter, and programmer. With the help of this career guidance video, you will learn how to operate quickly and effectively. The same applies to setting. You will receive this career guidance video after the 6th topic, which will offer guidance related to setting, including how to become a setter in less time and the key factors you should focus on. All of this guidance will be provided in that video. After that, we will provide a 3rd career guidance video at the end of the course. In this final career guidance video, we will discuss how to advance in your career, increase your salary, apply your programming knowledge, and more. In this way, we will provide these 3 career guidance videos giving you both the knowledge and the career advancement strategies you need to achieve your career goals in a short amount of time. So this is how we're going to learn programming in this course. Let's now go through these topics one by one.